Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl NIKKI Queen. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. To all the new viewers, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on that notification bell button so you guys don't miss out on my latest video. So you guys, let's get right to it. As you could read from the title, you guys, today I am doing a video haul from Dollar Tree and show you what I have today. So you guys, let's get started with the video. You guys, first of all, let me go ahead and show you guys this cute little fan that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought it was so pretty. You know, when I be doing my makeup and I may like spray my setting spray, it helps me to dry. If you're hot, honey, fan yourself, honey. Okay, you don't want to sweat. So definitely the fan is very helpful. So I got that, you guys. And then also what I got, you guys, I thought was so pretty that I have never seen at Dollar Tree. You guys, these clips here, these clips are so beautiful, you guys. Look at the sparkle on these clips, you guys. I know at other stores it probably costs way more. Luckily we find them at Dollar Tree. I got 2 of them. I thought they were very cute and gorgeous. Definitely had to have those too. So yeah, you guys, go check out your Dollar Tree for these cute hair accessories. So next, you guys, you have here, this is by Sassy and Chic. It's a shadow switching sponge. This is for you to switch your makeup brushes on. Say your eyeshadow has one color and you want to switch it to the next color. You use this into cleaning the eyeshadow brush, you know, off, the color off, so you guys may use a different color. So this is so different. I thought this was a cool idea. Definitely had to have this because I do my makeup. Yeah, you guys, yeah, that's that for this. So now let's go ahead. Here, this is by LA Colors. Okay, this is new. It's Beauty Spot, 3 pops of colors and 1 eyeshadow. I thought these colors were so cute. I like all the 3 shades. I definitely will use this as a highlighter as well, most def. And I think that's a great idea for highlighter as well. So you guys, look at this shade. It's so beautiful. Definitely had to have this, you guys. So go check out your Dollar Tree for this. Hopefully you guys find it. Yeah. So next we have here, hold on you guys. Next we have here is these concealer by Flower Makeup, you guys. We are so lucky to have these at Dollar Tree. I know once they put them there, it's automatically gone. So once you see them, you guys just pull them quick before it's all gone. But this is Secret Service, and this is in the color of CU2 by Flower Makeup. You know, this is by what is it? Drew Barrymore, not Demi Moore, Drew Barrymore. This brand is by, and you guys, you can find this here at, let me see here. You can find these concealer at Ultra Beauty as well. And you know how much it's going for at Ultra Beauty, you guys? It's going for $9.99, you guys. I think this is a great steal, a great find. I think I hit the jackpot with this one. You guys, hopefully you find this in your store as well, you guys. Make sure you take it quick once you see it, or it will be all gone. Next, you guys, I got here these flower lipsticks, and I got them in 3 different colors. Let me go ahead and show you guys here. Look at these 3 colors, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. This is worth your while, you guys. I so love it. These are the shades here. It's giving me a peachy coral warm vibe, and this one in the middle is the dark brown, which is called Chocolate Lily. And you have this red. It said get to the what? Hold on 1 second. Pen. Hold on, you guys. I can't even really see too good, you guys, but this is what it says here. Whoever can see better than me to read this and look at it up close here. Okay, you guys, these lipstick are going for on eBay $7 to $12, and on Amazon is going for $8, and in Poshmark you have them going for $18, you guys. This is a must-have by Drew Barrymore. If you see them, grab them. Don't wait, you guys. I think they're beautiful, amazing colors, and it's awesome to have them, you guys. So must-have. So yeah, you guys, check that out in your local Dollar Tree if they have it. Hopefully you'll be lucky. And next one we have here, we have by Ayani, you guys. It's 100% vegan. And you guys, this Ayani Lash Glue, I heard it works real well. This is my first time working with it. I heard this is real good. It says Everlasting Lash Glue. You guys, I think it lasts long. I heard it says a quick drying stronghold lash glue to last you throughout the day. The precise brush wand offers an easy, no mess application each time, especially formulated without latex and the dye safe for sensitive eyes. Yes, you guys, that's how it looks. This is the barcode and whatever if you would like to have. But yeah, you guys, we got this at Dollar Tree. Next we have here by Bolero Hydrating Facial Serum, Coconut plus Rosehip Oil. You guys, this is how it looks here. Let me bring it up close so you guys can read it. Fruit enzyme boosts radiance, improve skin to improve skin tone, you guys. This is how it looks. This is how it looks in the back. And the ingredients as well, you guys. Got that at Dollar Tree. You know, rose hip oil is great for the skin, and coconut oil too, for hair and everything. And rose hip oil, it keeps your face looking nice, smooth, and young. And I know it tightens up your skin as well, and helps you with your skin complexion. And next, we got this. I know this one, they have it. I showed this in one of my videos. They have it in cucumber, but this time I got this one. This hydrating facial mist, watermelon and aloe. If it could zoom in so you guys see real good. Yeah, all skin types, advanced formula, you guys. And this facial mist feels real great and keeps you feeling good for the rest of the day, you guys. So you know this will be great for the skin. Keep your skin fresh and everything, you guys, and give you all the nutrition, whatever it has in it inside of this. Let me see if I can show you the back of it here. And here's the ingredients as well. Okay, you guys, and that's that. And you guys, you know, definitely we're still going through this corona stuff, you guys. Oh my goodness. So you know we need the hand sanitizer, you guys. I really like this hand sanitizer. It smells nice. It's it kills 99% of germs. It's an instant hand sanitizer by Assure. And yeah, and they compare it to Purell hand sanitizer, you guys. It's 70% antiseptic, 70% alcohol antiseptic, and yeah, you guys, that's how it is in the back, you guys. I really like this. Definitely you have to get this, and it has vitamin E and aloe in it. 8-ounce bottle, and I think it's a great deal for that amount. Next, you guys, what we have here, we have Real Techniques. This is the cushion sponge. Okay, you guys, this here is going for $5.99 on Amazon, and eBay is going for $6 to $10, you guys. I think this is a great steal. You know, Real Techniques is a brand. For you to find this at Dollar Tree is great, you guys. Hopefully you guys find it yourself. This is how it is. Your little cushion here, I guess, where you can dab your foundation, whatever. So you guys, great steal there. Also, what we have here by Dermaseal Labs, you guys. Dermaseal Labs, it has great products, you guys. Definitely, if you have an eczema, whatever, dry skin, it will definitely help you heal that, you guys. This one is it's an invigorating facial scrub with vitamin E. Dermatologist recommended, deep clean, oil free, paraben free, fragrance free. A gentle facial scrub that deeply cleanses and buffs brightens skin, you guys. That sounds so great, you guys. I have used the cream. I haven't used the scrub yet, but this will be the first. Definitely know I will like it. I have used the cream on my daughter when she have eczema. You know, it helps heal and it smooths out the skin. So you know their products are real good, and for you to find it for $1 at Dollar Tree, very lucky, you guys. So yeah, you guys, you know, we are a girl boss, definitely, and had to get this, you guys, honey. Have to put this on my desk, on my working desk. You know, we are an entrepreneur and doing our thing, you guys. For all the girl boss, I give you a big 5, you know, high 5, you know. Definitely got to keep it like that for our desk. I'm happy to find this, you know. So next we have here these acrylic gems, you guys. I think it's so cute. It looks like real diamonds, you guys. I feel like I have $1 million in my hand, but you know. Anyway, you know, these are not real, but anyway, I wish, honey, I'll be cashing out right now. But anyway, it's a decorative essence. So yeah, you guys, it's good for, you know, your little decorations and stuff, you know. So yeah, have any ideas you can use this for, you know, definitely will help me. You know, I do nails and stuff like that, so I can scatter them around, and you know, take some pictures or whatever, because I know I have also a big diamond as well. Put it all together, and for other stuff too. But yeah, you guys, I think that's that for this video haul, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please, you guys, you know, you by subscribing and liking my videos and commenting, it really helps the girl out, so I can bring more videos to you guys. You know, you want more videos, you know, definitely support your girl, you guys, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Bye now.